Hi, my name is Mike Stromso, and I just wanted to share a few words today about my relationship with Rob Gutierrez from Shield Mechanical. You know, I had an issue at the house where our AC unit was not operating properly, and Rob came out to the house, was on the spot, quickly, efficiently, immediately solved our issue. And while he was there, he completely did a maintenance call on our HVAC unit, for our heating and air conditioning main unit in the house. If you have any hesitations about using Rob, I strongly recommend that you use him. He is ethical, a great business person. He responds to your inquiries quickly and efficiently, and bigger than that, he knows how to take proper care of your complete HVAC system. In addition to that, he put in a new thermostat in our house. I think it's called a Nest, and we can control it electronically now from wherever we're at. So it just makes our lives better. We're comfortable all of the time. If you have any questions about Rob Gutierrez from Shield Mechanical, please look me up. I'd be happy to share with you our experience. And again, I strongly recommend Rob.